Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Power on the WH-1000XM4 and pair it to your phone right away because a stable Bluetooth link is essential for noise-canceling control. Charge the battery above half to avoid interruptions, then install the Sony Headphones Connect app. Once installed, grant permissions so the app can communicate with the headset. In the app, tap to recognize the device and accept any firmware prompts. This ensures you can access the noise-canceling features and optimizer immediately. Now configure the core noise-canceling features. Open noise-canceling settings in the app and run the noise-canceling optimizer to calibrate for your ear shape and glasses. This improves ANC effectiveness. Next, decide between full noise canceling and ambient sound by adjusting the ambient sound slider and enabling or disabling adaptive sound control so the headset responds to movement and location. Also, if you like quick switching, assign the NC/ambient function to the left button. That gives you instant control. Finish by testing. Go into a noisy environment and listen with noise canceling on, then fine-tune the ambient and ANC settings until voices and low-frequency hum are reduced while speech clarity remains. Make sure touch controls and the NC button respond. If you want best audio quality, pick the correct Bluetooth codec in the phone settings. If noise canceling isn't working as expected, reset or repair the headset, rerun the noise canceling optimizer, and update firmware. That single step fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.